everyone, it's Kim Manis again. I'm the Director of Product for Power BI and Azure Synapse. And I just wanted to say thank you for joining Data Toboggan. We learned a ton of stuff, all the new and cool features available in Azure Synapse Analytics, how to leverage Synapse Link to synchronize data into Synapse Analytics, the role that Synapse serverless SQL pools can play in building data mesh architectures. We learned about Azure Data Explorer and how to build streaming platforms with it, how to tune dedicated pools for better performance and enable it to its full potential, how to integrate Azure Synapse with cognitive services, real-world patterns with pipelines, how to integrate Synapse and Power BI and Purview, and how to use database templates to make Lakehouse solutions more straightforward. So there's been a ton. Super excited to participate and learn from all of you. And I'm really looking forward to engaging with you all in our community. So please send us your feedback to the product team. We're looking forward to learning more from you. And thanks for joining. Bye.